G'day! Welcome to Anything Review with myself, Ryan, to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review for the 58 volt battery powered Lawnmaster. As you can see on the image, there's a huge battery pack with a battery key on it. So from here, you can see the 58 volt battery pack, and there's a compartment where you put in the battery packs and the battery key. I'm gonna try to switch it on for you guys. So I press this button and hold the lever, and then you can hear the actual sound of it. Sounds good. Quite powerful, eh? So this is the battery charger, which is the same size as the battery pack. I think it will take around about 1 to 2 hours of charging, depending on the life that has remained on the battery. So at the same time, you can actually see the battery life by pressing that white button. Yeah. Um, so if you have any questions or comments, Matt, just post it into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.